So we're going to make our bunny in this practice video and then put it on the bow. So first, it's important to have your hand relaxed. So pretend to dip it in a bucket of water. Shake it out. Bend your thumb. Scratch your bunny's chin. Notice how the thumb knuckle is bent. Now cover up the thumbnail. So it's nice and round. Okay, let's go to make it again. Shake it out. Bend. Scratch the bunny's chin. Cover up the thumbnail. And check that it's round. Let's go and do our bunny chant. So here we go. Happy bunny, sad bunny, hungry bunny, bunny hopping, bunny goes to sleep. Reach out, pretend to grab a seasoning. I'm thinking of Parmesan cheese today. Turn it upside down and shake. This is the same motion as going to sleep. Please raise your bow hand. That is your right hand. Raise your violin hand. That's your left hand. Raise your bow hand. That's your right hand. Make your bunny with your bow hand. Scratch the bunny's chin. Cover up. Bunny chant. Ready? Go. Happy bunny, sad bunny, hungry bunny, bunny hopping, bunny goes to sleep. Next, please pick up your practice bow. So, here's the practice bow. Go ahead and hold the frog. Turn. With your helper hand, hold the stick. Let go. Go ahead and bend your thumb. We're going to do our bunny chant. Ready, go. Happy bunny, sad bunny, hungry bunny, bunny hopping, bunny goes to sleep. Next, we're going to put our thumb in the thumb corner. I'm going to turn around to use my correct hand so it's easier to see. So I did candlestick, turn, bunny there. So now, here's the frog. There's a stick. In the corner is the thumb corner. So go to sleep. Tip of the thumb goes to the thumb corner. I tap my two middle fingers right across from the thumb, just like making my bunny. Now elbow up, put the head on the pillow. It's really important we hold the bow with the helper hand, otherwise we can't put it on the pillow. So go to sleep. Now pinky dances in its strings, so curved on the top. Again, here we go. Candlestick, turn, helper hand, shake it out, make your bunny. Happy bunny, sad bunny, hungry bunny, bunny hopping, bunny goes to sleep. Open it up, thumb in the thumb corner, wave, tap the two middle fingers across from the thumb, head on the pillow with elbow up. Point the screw a little bit away. Tap your pinky on the tip so it's curved. Turn it up. And look for your thumb knuckle to be bent. So go ahead and scratch your bunny's chin. And that is our practice bow hold. Here is the bunny chant. Keep your bow, this is the rocket chant. Keep your bow in your bow hand. Reach all the way forward, all the way back, halfway out, and here's our rocket chant. I said up like a rocket, down like the rain, back and forth like a choo-choo train. I said up like a rocket, down like the rain, back and forth like a choo-choo train. Round and round like a great big sun, knuckle on your nose, check pinky and thumb. Round and round like a great big sun, knuckle on your nose, check pinky and thumb.